It's time for Pie Noon. Hello everyone, welcome to another slice of Pie Noon. My name is Bo if you're just tuning in. Happy fall everyone. It's one of my favorite times of the month because obviously it's a darker tone to wear your eyeshadow out in daylight. And I'm all about Halloween and I'm already dressed in like Halloween clothes already. So today I have no interviews for you. Today it's just mainly cooking. I do have a video clip, I believe, of one of my mini trips. I went to a mini food festival just recently and I'm still editing those footage out. It's not such great quality. I took it on my camera phone, so we'll see. But today I am going to make for you guys Cambodian fried rice. It's a recipe that my mom has always made for me when I was younger, and I thought it was like really similar to Thai fried rice. The only difference is the actual chili peppers and the oil. I will be making a healthier version, so we'll see if you guys will like it. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think and what else I should be making. So let's get started. First, you're gonna need a mixed bag of frozen vegetables. I use the frozen kind just because they're less likely to wilt while cooking in high heat. Now you're gonna have to decide what kind of protein you want. You could work with either fresh shrimp or frozen shrimp or tofu. I prefer Chinese sausage, but not every place sells Chinese sausage. You're gonna have to go to a local Asian store. You're going to need some Thai chili peppers. The amount depends on how spicy you like it. I would go easy if you've never had them before. You also need some salt and pepper and fish sauce. So first you want to make sure your wok is hot. Now you don't have to use a wok if you don't have one. You could use a large pot or whatever. I put in my oil already and I'm just waiting for my wok to heat up. And then you want to cook it on high heat. So what you want to do first is cook your eggs. You want to make sure they're scrambled eggs. So you want your eggs scrambled like this. And then you want to add in your garlic, onions, chili peppers, and whatnot. I use Thai chili peppers for mine because they're super spicy and I like it super spicy. And then you want to add in your Chinese sausage. Now, if you don't want to have meat in yours, you could just leave it alone or add your shrimp or tofu. While it's mixing, you can add in your frozen veggies. And then at this point, you want to add in your fish sauce. Now I kind of just eyeball it. This adds it more flavor. You can opt out on this and just simply add your black pepper and salt. But it's going to be bland, but if you like blandness, then that's on you. Mix it around. And then you want to add your rice. Now, a tip is you want to add day-old rice, so it's better. But if you just happen to have today's rice, I guess it's fine. Another tip is if you can't finish it all, I would recommend you freezing it. That way you don't have to rush to finish the entire thing. You can freeze it and then eat it till like next week or whenever. Just microwave it. Now you want to add your salt and pepper. Ta-da! This is what your fried rice should look like. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed watching me cook my version of Cambodian fried rice, and I hope you will enjoy cooking yours as well. I hope it's delicious. That's all I have for you guys today. And remember, everyone, it's pie noon somewhere. Bye!